James chapter number 4, verse number 8. James chapter number 4, verse number 8. In God we. In God we. That's God. In God we trust. Exodus chapter number 3, verse number 5. Exodus chapter number 3, verse number 5. And then Exodus 19, verse number 10 and 11. And then Joshua 3, verse number 5. Hebrews 12, verses number 14. But let's start with the book of James 4, verse number 8. Exodus 3, verse number 5. Exodus 19, verse number 10. Joshua 3, verse number 5. Hebrews 12, verse number 14. 4.
Jacob chapter 4 verse 8.
Let's go.
Sondelani kuNkulunkulu. Khona uyakusondela kinina.
As long as you come near to him, he come near to you, okay?
Hlanzani izandla nina zoni. Nihlambulule inhliziyo.
Okay.
Nina bonhliziyo mbili.
That's verse number 4. Number 8. Phelela la. Verse number 8. Phelela. Open the fort. Draw nearer to God. He will draw nearer to you. Draw nearer to God and he will draw nearer to you. But that's not the end of the verse. Kubera.
Sondelani kuNkulunkulu.
Yeah.
Khona uyakusondela kinina.
That's good.
Hlanzani izandla nina zoni.
Okay.
Nihlambulule izinhliziyo nina boyinhliziyo mbili.
Iphelela la. Okay, now ngahlala past encounter. Somebody saw encounter. This is encounter chapter number 2. I would say that encounter 02. Amen. Draw nearer to God, he will draw nearer to you. One of the most important things of us understand that if you want divine stuff, you must understand the protocols of receiving it. Nyangeza mos. Mhambo wakhona. I think that's the right term. Mhambo wakhona indlela yokwenza lento noma indlela ukuyithola lento khona God. Protocols of doing it. One of the greatest mistakes that believers make is expecting divine encounters but ignoring divine protocols. You see now, little Bible, draw nearer to God, he will draw nearer to you. You can come to him, and when he sees you coming to him, he does what? It comes directly to. When you go to him, he comes to you. When I call on him in prayer, he answers me while I am still in prayer. The fact that I didn't hear him, it doesn't mean he didn't answer me, but he answers me in prayer. Daniel, when you prayed the first day, we heard you and we sent your answer. The fact that you didn't see the answer, you didn't see the angel, you didn't hear the answer, it doesn't mean God didn't answer you. Draw nearer to God, he will draw nearer to you. He will draw nearer to you. Throughout scripture, from Genesis up until Revelation, says God, he loves being around his people. He loves to embrace us with his presence. He loves to envelop us with his presence. We are tanda ukuba la sikhona uJehova. We are enjoy. Like lasho ngenye imini lathi la bahlangene khona bababili noma baba uJehova uyobe. Yeah, he will be there. He will be yes God. But the encounter is preceded by what we call positioning, spiritual positioning. Yes, when you draw nearer to God, he will draw nearer to you. But there are conditions as you are drawing closer to God. There are conditions. You see, it's easy to draw nearer to him, but hearing him when he is close is so much important. And it's hard for people because of this. So it means I am doing everything in my power to draw nearer to God, but I can't hear him. Why?
Sondelani kuNkulunkulu.
So guys, sondeleka kuNkulunkulu. Jesus. You understand abafundisi kunzima ukuthi nifike kubo kune protocol yanchief. But sondelani kubani?
kuNkulunkulu.
Yes. Une protocol la yakufana ukuthi ufuna umfundisi. Ithi cha, noma bafuna uJesu selamhlabena, abantu bafuna ukuya kuye bamvala, no but no. wathi usifuna uJesu kwathiwa cha protocol ayifiki manje yayikhona ngisho nangesikhathi saJesu ngasulwa nayo manje yayikhona nangesikhathi sa wayengathindeka uJesu wakungafikeki ukuthi ngisho wafika entabeni yaseGetsemane bamfuna phakathi kwabaningi wazi wathi ngimi. He had to say, I am the Christ they're looking for. So i-protocol akusinto manje, protocol into ehlezi khona. So emhlabeni vele masihamba kulo mhlaba ngoba kunamahasila, kunamaphanda, kunabahamnqa, kunabantu abangasigwaza, kunabathakathi. So other people should protect the vessel that carries power, not just verses. Carries power, not just validation of man. Carries value, not just volume, but value. It has to be protected while the vessel is still on earth. Someone has to protect the vessel. That is why it's past as eating is security guard. But the ShopRite, yeah, it's security guard because what is inside the ShopRite, in Kuluga this is past. Igrosa espaza noma isitoko sesipaza ungasihlanganisa within 3 days but lapha kuyasetshenzwa makugcwaliswa iShopRite una moya espaza udinga just amaplastic o45 bese yaqala haka but lana kuba nama delivery truck when a delivery space so apha sekufuna kube protection so iprotocol yehlezi khona ke mayimfundisa uthi namhlanje ngithi draw nearer to God yilento engenza ngamuza uJehova sengisondele fonda lindo
khona uyakusondela kuNcindi
uyosondela uJehova angeke futhi abuke izinto eziningi uyenza njani akanendaba ukuthi umncane umdala usilenda ufundile ufundanga usemkukwini uyadrive udrive as long as usondela uJehova wenza njani phindani into khona bangangizwa bakanti nginamangala lethi sondelani futhi
khona uyakusondela
uyenza njani Jehova masondela
uyakusondela
when I come to him via fasting via worship via prayer via praise via giving whatever way I use to draw nearer to God he will draw nearer to me noma ngasebenza iphindle lokusondela kuye uyosondela so nangabe umuzwa kangcono noma usentabeni hamba kuphi mangabe umuzwa kangcono noma usehlane hamba kuphi mangabe umuzwa kangcono noma usendlini yiba kuphi mangabe umuzwa kangcono noma usesontweni yiba kuphi so thi nangabe ngizomfuna nje ngoba ngingaphe esontweni ngeke kwenzeka ngasondela sondelani uyosondela ngiyasala man kanti ngifuna ukuhamba nani sondelani yenza njani wena usuba yikhipha bakaba ukuthi uNkulunkulu uzwa abantu abaku certain level sondelani uyasondela na sondelani yazi uNkulunkulu sondela ngisho nomoni as long as umona sondela no Jehova kunema namhlanje wadinga amanzi kanti qala ngitholele mina kuqala nabanye bazokwazi ukuyiphathela ngithi mina kuwe sondelani ngithi sondelani noma exam room if you draw nearer to him he will draw nearer to you even if you are in a hospital bed if you draw nearer to him he will draw nearer to you even if uhlangene empilweni yakho wasondela uJehova akakhetha mana lomuntu la akanandaba uNkulunkulu abantu abafuna uyothenga imoto bathi let bank statement credit score yakhe ime kanjani yabo ukuthi ungagcina ungayithengi nemoto ngoba ziningi lezi zinto ezidingakala uJehova nje uthi wathi nami ngiyasondela I see you coming I'm coming if I see you coming to me I am coming to nende kaza uJehova so mthakathi ngeke akuvala uJehova nje wasondela uyasondela so akusekho umuntu ongakuvala wasondela uJehova uyasondela akusena mpande esebalela kakho engakuvala wasondela uJehova uyasondela awudinge lapho ukuze asondele awudinge ekhandlela ukuze asondele awudinge sambatho ukuze asondele awudinge nemisebenzi nomsebenzi ukuze asondele lithi nje wasondela naye wenza njani athi ngiphuza amanzi linto ngoba khona abantu abahlaba imbuzi ukuze uJehova asondele kukhona abantu abahlaba izinkukhu ukuze uJehova asondele kukhona abantu abakhanyisa amakhandlela ukuze uJehova asondele kanti nakudinga amakhandlela ngembuzi akuyemvufu lana kaza batho wasondela wena ubuka inhliziyo efuna yena uJehova bese uyasondela Yeah, umuntu elangazelela yena, uphefumulo langazelela yena, uJehova uyasondela. Anginandaba ukuthi ukuthola usebathroom uyageza. Bedwa sondela uJehova uyasondela. Anginandaba ukuthi uthwele kanzima, bedwa biza igama lakhe, wasondela. Ngeke ngathembeka. Zange ngathembeka noma thina sesidangana yena othembekile. Saso, lazumbiza kukubi uJehova sondela. Umbizo ungenamali asondele, umbizo usemkhukwini asondele, umbizo ulahlwe abantu asondele, umbizo ulahlwe ihlobo asondele, umbizo ujikelwe abangani asondele, umbizo izinto ezihlangahlangene asondele, umbiza ungayiboni indlela akaze ngikhuluma nobani, uyayisondelela indaba yakho, uyayisondelela umndeni wakho, uyayisonta indaba yakho, uyayisonta inkinga yakho, uyayilungisa into negama lakho. Awumemeza uyasondela. Uyakungapha abantu uyasondela. Ngeke into engenza ukuthi ngingamuzwa uJehova awufundele into sondela noJehova uyosondela kodwa bese nenzani?
Hlanzani izandla ninazo.
Nayo into eyenza ukuthi masekakhuluma noma sekasondele manje ungamuzwa. Ithi sihlanzani ini? Izandla. Now let's do it more of umsebenzi wenzani. What are you doing? Khona okunye okwenzayo okwenza uJehova ngasaqoni manje etsho ungasakhona ukumuzwa kuvala amandle bakho ukuthi ungamuzwa. Ngibona abantu okunye okwenzayo kwenza uJehova makakhuluma ungasamuzwa. Abe just one of the voices in many. He has to be a peculiar voice. There has to be a different voice. He has to be a voice that stands out. It doesn't have to be a voice in the crowd. It has to be the voice above the crowd. If one says in izinto uJehova uyokhuluma esixukwini, he will be amongst the voice of thoughts yomzimba yomhlaba yababa. If uNkulunkulu ugeza izandla zakho wena ulungisa into ezira wenze kahle nje uyibonke angazwani nayo. Proverbs chapter 6 verse number 16 going down. Uyibonke uJehova akayithandi le nale bangaba akayithandi mina ngiyayeka ngoba akayithandi ngoba yiloko bese siyakwenza okwenza ukuthi singamuzwa hayi ukuthi akakhulumanga ukhulumile but lokho esibese siyakwenza kwenza thina ukuthi singamuzwa yena uyakhuluma every day uyakhuluma even manje wenza njani uyakhuluma. The book of Isaiah chapter number 59 verse number 2 the Bible lithi hayi ngoba ngakwazi ukusiza abantu kodwa yiloko esikwenze ngezandla zethu okwenza ukuthi my Bible. Can somebody read verse number 2 ngoba verse number 1 siyamazi. Sandla sakhe sifinyeziwe. Ndlebe yakhe ayisona sihulu kube ngeseyizwe ngithandazo. Sandla sakhe asikafinyezwa kube ngesesindisa. Ngifuna umuntu ozofunda omunye la into ningamphazamisa. 59 verse number 2. Isaiah 59 verse number 2. Fund. Awutshela inkosi yami ngangiyamphazamisa manje.
But your
wickedness has done what, Bible speak? Has separated you from God. So now it's not the fact that mamkiza akwazi uNkulunkulu ukusiza abantu, but your wickedness. Asike siye isingisi kancane Bible speak bawulwa nathi ake sesilandise isu. Kepha ububi hayi babokhokho abangizwa nabantu hayi babokhokho hayi babazali ububi obenziwe nguwe hayi bazali bakho wena ophinde lapho Nkosi yami ubani igama ziya God khuphuka lapho lithini la kepha ububi obenziwe nguwe mina ekuseni ntambama yibo obenzeni qhubeka Mesa. Yes, Mesa.
Kodwa iziphambeko zethu
Sethe Lydia
kanye ezinye zaba izinto ezibangela ukwahlukana phakathi kwenu noNkulunkulu.
You see now, sekwehlukana phakathi kwenu nobani? Not because of Amaloi, but because of izinto ezenziwe wena kwasho basematala. Senziwe nguwe lezinto. Asiyenzwa abazali bakho. Hayi mama mina impilo yami ibheke phansi ngoba nguwe. Akusibazali bakho. It's what you have done. Kabanga unenhliziyo embi, uyiphatha kabi, uyiphatha hlephu, uthanda isono, uthanda ukuhlala nabantu abaholodela uNkulunkulu, uhamba nabantu abangazwani noNkulunkulu, izinto zenza efonini yakho, izinto zenza ku social media, izinto zenza nabangani bakho. Lithi le Bible kunehlukanisile noNkulunkulu. So lithi nawe kubaka lento wahlala phasi lithi naw sondelana kuJehova kodwa izandla zenu zenzeni? Hlanzani ini? Hlanzani ini? If ungayishintsha indlela yokwenza kwakho uyohleza khuluma uNkulunkulu kungenzeki next empilweni yakho. Uyohleza khuluma ungamuzwa, but what you do controls the fact that uyamuzwa noma uqhubeka. Phinde bese nenzani?
Nihlambulule izinhliziyo.
Masiyangena la ngeke siqede kanti ingene ishumayelo yami. Nihlambulule ini?
Izinhliziyo.
Hey nina. Iyenza ukuthi singamuzwa, singakhulumile, singasizakali. uJehova usizo sekankhipile neya. Le nhliziyo ayikahlanjululwa. Le nhliziyo alesinethi ngesibabo sibiya. Le nhliziyo ayikenzi njani? James number 4 verse number 8. Ile nhliziyo nayinkinga isenhlizweni. Nayinkinga ayibozi. Nhliziyo yabalabala, yabalisa, yathakatha, yapheka inhliziyo yakho. Pheka izinto ezingekho right. Funda mawusifuna singisi ngoba abanye bafundile la.
Come close to God with a contrite heart.
Yes.
And he will come close to you.
My God.
Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your unfaithful heart.
Purify your unfaithful heart. I love the English version. Your unfaithful heart. Khizake nokukhohlakala. Khizake nganabo kwethembeka. Wethembele intweni nakuNkulunkulu abahlukahlukene. That is why even when he wants to help you, inhliziyo yakho, inhliziyo yesekamgwaqo, inhliziyo yamathanda izinto, inhliziyo enepropaganda evile, inhliziyo eprostitutayo. They are polytheist. You believe in different gods. So that noma uNkulunkulu akakhuluma kunama idols. Wena oweza kwendlula uNkulunkulu. Kunabantu abama-icon obezwa kwendlula ubani? uNkulunkulu noma angakhuluma kuba bale umuzwa. Noma sekathi ngiyakuphakamisa manje, but just because i-icon yakho umuntu ombukayo celebrate olithandayo lithe bhekanile nawe sowubhekane hayi ngoba kwamele ingani ngoba lo muntu uthethe isikhala sikabani ungahlala phansi lindo sebakwatile bangichaza ke manje. Heaven is free. Heaven is free. But access to heavenly dimensions follows divine order. Kune-order solini. Kune-order lena siyakhona. So makubonakala inhliziyo yakho ngathi ayikapurifywa, kukhona okunye okungeke kwenzeke empilweni yakho. Makubonakala izandla zakho zigwela igazi, uyaganga uyisigango nesanku, bathi unesancele, uyatshonta, uthatha izinto ekungezona ezakho, uthinta izinto engamele ngabe uyayithinda, wenza izinto engamele ngabe uyazenza, bese uNkulunkulu athi cha. Kumele ngawuphasile ufeyilile. Into ekufelisile into zenza ngezandla zakho. Bekumele ngawutholela umsebenzi awusawutholanga. Bese uthi kunabathakathi umfundisi bangivalile isichitha kusona isichitho into yenziwe nguwe. Inhliziyo yakho is not purified. Izandla zakho zibamba izinto ezingekho right. Umuntu uthengwa uwe ngemali esetshenzwe uwe, uhambe ulanda ugeze ngawo, uthakathe ngawo, ubiza amagama abantu abakuloyayo umthakathi. You are the one who does that. Bible sibalolwa nani kodwa lingathathazeka lithi lembi akuyona yena ingeyami. But the vengeance doesn't belong to us, it belongs to God. We must know how to bring people to the people who God has entrusted ukuthi bangema in between. Beme phakathi kwethu nezitha zethu bese isothwe indaba yethu. Sanibona. Ngisheshe ngakwada kusesebudeni la siyekhona. I say that if you design an encounter, you must also embrace the protocols that prepares men for what? Because ngiyaqela umlungiselele uhlangana nawe. Ngiyona senafakwa ikeyboard ku-encounter.
Yes.
Understand?
That's true.
Maybe keyboard when I'm connect when you connect ngoba kune keyboard phakathi keyboard ayikho when you are not connecting. That's your biggest issue now. So asenza umprofeti ngoba abaprofeti bafuna kunento ngathi yadlala ngemuva omika kungikhali ngazuthi iyaphuma lento ekuthiwa is prophet wathi umika kanti ngidlalele noma seyihapu so that I can prophesy. When you are not even a prophet, you are a daughter of the prophet, but ufuna ukuconnecta noJehova concerning your life. Ufuna ngathi ngaba khona into engazithi nzwe that's a problem. That's a what? Okay, now let me give you the protocols of encounter. Number one, consecration. Consecration precedes manifestation. If uhlala esitukwini uthanda isituku udla njengesituku ugqoka njengesituku hambisana nesituku uhlabela ingoma zesituku ubuka lokho isituku esikubukayo noma esikubonayo, trust me, I'm telling you, Jehovah ngeke asiveze kuwena. He will never appear to you. He will never do anything for you. Ngeke uNkulunkulu azembule kuwe ngoba ukwazi ukuzihlukanisa. You are attached to things, attached to people, attached to the world. That is why noma sikashumayela izwe linamandla wena ke ulizwe. Why? Because umuntu wasezweni uthanda umhlaba. If you love the world or uzehlukanisa nomhlaba, you will have a problem. Consecration is a divine protocol that removes distractions so that the voice of God becomes unmistakably clear. Wasuka esikukwini uzwakala ngcono uNkulunkulu. Waphuma nje umjolo ungasimi phela umsenga singa right for umjolo sasemntana kakhulu uthi ngabe uyajola wena ungibheka kanjani ukhuluma nawe bethona somntana kakhulu for ukuthi ngabe uyajola manje ngiyakuzwa manje waphuma emjolweni. I'm telling you abanye benu ngoba nisiqualified kube ngathi uyajola manje uNkulunkulu uzwakala kangcono wahlukana nomuntu noma ngathi we at the right age to date lo muntu okhohlane lo ngekho right, the voice of God will be clear. I'm telling you, the voice of God will never be clear. Jehovah, if we shall not Delilah, Jehovah, we shall not Jezebel, Jehovah, we shall not if you Sunday no muntu, oh my swan, not Jehovah, they have a leg pin. I guess Jehovah. Every genuine encounter demands that something of the flesh must decrease so that the spirit may increase. Yini into esenyameni wena oyivalele uze kuvulele ke moya. Vala ama valve laba. Konke inyama kumele uyivale. Sikhuluma nge-fasting Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Sunday. Abanye benu solo sakala kulo nyaka ukazwa fasta ngisho nelanga elilodwa. Kuvale ikole manje ufuna manje fasta ngikhala ukuthi ngiyafunda phela nina bangabe ngifasta sesikoleni nje siyafunda mina ngidinga imali ye-break nani manje sekuvale ikole usekhaya ufuna ngabe uyafasta Wednesday, Thursday, Friday kuyokuthuma ama-report next week Sunday bantu bobabhizi mfunda isikalo usithandasela fasta manje nawe sibambele wena ithi Bible uEzra wabiza abantu abadala nabantwana kwathiwa kufasta wonke umuntu. If you don't teach and train your kids obedience now, you can't train them when they are old. Isizulu sithi mfowethu sithi umuthi ugotshwa mayibabo umuthi ugotshwa usenjani usema your biggest issue is bantu abakho ufuna ubafaka lento yokukholwa senifikele kuko-18 angekwenzeke ikalwa manje lento bazi ukuthi Wednesday kuyafastwa, Thursday kuyafastwa, Friday kuyafastwa. Bazi babuza i-breakfast asisi namhlanje watshela siyodla ngo-3 noma siyodla ngo-12 lo mzimba ujwayele ukuthi no, from ekuseni up until 12 we are fasting. Bantwana they are excited to do something new. Abakho bayizidomu nje noma bayizidomu ngiyacela usikhuluma iqiniso ngengane zakho ababoni next bashayise empilweni because umhlaba bafundisa izinto wena ukabafundisa izinto. Bathatha kancane nje babizwa ngama slow learner because when awukwazi bafundisa into yakamoya, if they can be connected in the frequencies of the spirit, yonke into yenyama beyingalalela ngoba inyama ilalela umoya, inyama ilandela umoya. Bantu abakho bavusa ebusuku ngabo 2 kunende khala emadlebeni kunende gijima emakhalena kunende gijima eswini ngani ngoba abayazi fasting. When they enter the spiritual realms via the dreamland, usathane uthi ubani lo athola umntwana ngena power, athola umntwana ngena anointing, athola umntwana ngena grace. Bantwana bafundiswa Jesus was found in the temple. Jesu watholakala etempelini lithi walahleka. First time alahleka watholakala kuphi? Bethu bangatholakala emathaveni. Sanibona. Jesus was lost ezandleni zabazali kodwa watholakala kuphi? Sibuzo ukuthi wakho umntwana why Jesus was found in the temple is because bese kuyi-routine ukuya kuphi, uyijwayele indlela yakuphi. I-question ithi abakho uya nabo kuphi. Abanye singabathola spare. It's a celebration. Nanto abayithandayo. Into abayithanda kakhulu umusic wakuphi wasemall, umusic wasespare, ama-wings ase-Rocco Mamas, ama-burger ase-Rocco Mamas. Bazukudla into yenyama but abalazi ilanga. Nawu batshela khona ukuthi isabatha namhlanje akudliwa, bathi Sunday namhlanje akudliwa. Sivuke ekuseni siyathandaza, siyageza, silungisela ukuya esontweni, intercession yobanjwa yithi. But thina abantu abethu bavuka ekuseni, bavuka nje kusomfudumezo sokunento ufuswa na yibo inyama yami idliwa ubani ngapha kodwa iSunday. If you can't train your kid to be rooted in the scriptures and to be rooted in the word, I'm telling you, uyodlala inyanga, uyodlala abaprofete, uyodlala bonyanga mfana, uyodlala odokotela. Odokotela basidiscover isifo esingekho ngoba babone i-medical aid yabo. Iyaqolisa kodoctor. Every genuine encounter divine demands that the flesh, something of the flesh must decrease. Yini into ivalele inyama sahlula uNkulunkulu wesisu. Sahlula uNkulunkulu wesisu akasakhona umunye vele sengiyasheka mina funa ngihle manje. Sengiyasheka mina unama tell yourself good no angidli manje. Yini mawugula udli kodwa awufi. Wena sick awufi mawungakahle. Awudenze kungadli for 3 consecutive days. Bengizwa udla ntambama lapho udla okulayo kodwa awufi kodwa uyagula. Manje uphile saka. Uya emsebenzini ugula ungadli, usebenze noZipho kodwa ke ucomplain. Shothi uNkulunkulu wakho HR. That's why umele uthandaze ukuthi akusiza kweseke ubani uHR, because if you believe in God, mangabe uHR mamkhiza ukwenza uvuke ngo4 ekseni. Ugeze, ufake iPPE, uphume, uyangizwa mos, ukhipha umoya ngathi sitimela samalahle, uye ngaphandle, uyolindela imoto ye-transport, shothi noNkulunkulu mawukhonza kahle, akakukhipha ngo4 ekseni. Athi hambe ehlane uyehlane ngoba lesibindi banaso mawuphuma ekseni usuka la usuka khona njika amakhona uyomela itaxi phezulu isibindi omele ube naso nomyobhekana noJehova. That's the power of the encounter. Singakamboni kanjalo uJehova angeke samukeliswe. Uhola nje emsebenzini wakho ingani ngoba mabathi bakufuna ngo8 ukhona ngo8, mabathi kuphuma ngo7 ungena ngo8, ngeke uphume ngo5 uyophuma ngobani ngo7. If you can respect God like we respect our HRs, njengomsebenzi yethu singahola njengoba sihola nasemsebenzini. Ayithi uNkulunkulu akasizwa asimhloniphi njengoba sihlonipha abanye abantu. These are protocols of encounter. Zehlukanile. Yabona uhamba nabantu wena bathi awukhonsikhwanisa nabo ngiyafana nabo bonke. Bonke ngihamba nabo bayazi asifani. They know I'm different. 2 minutes isihamba mina ngiyakutshela ukuthi mina ngisayile sengiyanema. Mina ngisakwenza lokho sengenza lokho manje. Mina ngisangena ngangena ukuthi mina ngisangena. Mina ngisakhuluma ngelokho. Mina sengenza mina sengisukile futhi sengihleli ngedwa lapha sengiyathandaza. Why? People must know ukuthi abahambi nje nomuntu njengomzalwane. They are walking with the Son of Elohim. I must always receive messages from above. You must be like them for you to be a vessel that carries messages of encounter, reports from the level and dimensions of consecration. God instructed Israel to sanctify themselves before He descended upon Mount Sinai. Before He descended upon Mount Sinai. Exodus 19 verse number 10 and 19. Exodus chapter 19 verse number 10 to 11. Phone.
Exodus 3 chapter 5.
Exodus 19 Exodus 19 verse number 10 to 11. Joshua chapter number yes. Joshua chapter number 3 verse number 5. My Bible, time is not on my side. Yes, that's good. Hebrews chapter number 12 verse number 14. Hebrews 12 verses number 14. Somebody read for us, please. 19 verse number 10.
The Lord also said to Moses,
yeah.
Go to the people and consecrate them today and tomorrow. That is, prepare them for my sacred purpose. And have them wash their clothes. And be ready by the third day, because on the third day the Lord will come down on Mount Sinai.
And then people will hate me. They will hate me for that. Let them prepare themselves. Let them wash even their clothes when they come to me. Let your hygienic is part of the journey of holiness. We sign to understand what you have done. Because if we are not clean, we are telling about our God is a God of uncleanliness. So bonke abantu abalapha bathi siya emfukunkulu kuNkulunkulu othanda idafu, othanda ukungcola, othanda into engekho right. Will they come to the church? No. Why? Because they are clean. I always tell you, let's clean the church. Make sure that the church is clean. Why? This is a space of a clean God, of a holy God. He told them here in the book of Exodus 19 verse number 10, tell the people to consecrate themselves, wash their clothes, wash themselves in preparation to meet the king. We are meeting thina sinamakari bangakutshela imoto mawuyidriver ibuye car wash ngathi yintsha. It drives a different way. Nengondo inendlu futhi nawuqeda nje ukuyiclean and spring cleaning kuyalaleka. Manje washisa ingubo kuyalaleka kuba namaphupho straight uyasuka le kuyamahlathi ohlezi waphupha ngoba ingubo zinjani ziclean. Once you start being clean physically, so izinto zakamoya, I'm telling you kuyehlela nje nozinto. Abanye benu ufuna sinitshela ukuthi lamagawuni adinga ukuwashwa siqhubeke. Le gawuni ulala ngayo uvuke ngayo uphume ngayo esitolo uphinde ubuye ngemva kokuthandaze ngayo ujuluka umjuluko wasebusuku umjuluko wonke lapha my friend umjuluko wasemini wehleba indaba bese uyalala Jehova sengiyalala manje ngayo naleyo groundnet duster sona kungena ubusika abanye amagawuni akawashwa umlozo wathenga emnyama ulithukazi vele ngisila uyayithanda wathenga eblack wenzela ukuthi vele ingabonakala omnye yayipink yakhe ulala ngayo manje angisayazi ukuthi injani Jehova yini. So now we are calling upon God in a dirty space. Angisho ukuthi akakuzwa kodwa prepare yourself for an encounter. You prepare yourself for an end. You can call him in that dirty space. But you must try it. Ngekani kubiza uNkulunkulu etoilet. Akube ukuthi simo siyaphoka. Hayi ngoba sokwenza kube injayelo ukuthi altar yakho ikuphi. He said, Jehovah told them, sanctify the place. Toilet should be far away from the tent of the meeting. That's how God loves cleanliness. Yes, encounter ilungiselela. Encounter uyayilungi. That is why sometimes as khona uphenduleke ngoba asizilungiselele. Gezana izandla zenu, purify inhliziyo yenu. Gezana nawe nomya kuJehova. Geza noma ngathothandaza usendlini, awusuqala ngokugeza kuqala, bese uyathandaza. Uthandaza ukugwela insila, emva bese uyogeza ukhohlwa ukuthi uthandazela ini. Kanti mangabe uqala ngokugeza bese uyabuya uthi Jehova ke, naku sengikhona sengigeza nokugeza. Apha kunuka amakhwapha, kunuka inyawo, kunuka imijuluko. Jehova ukuphi baba? Akekho nayo. Simbeni Kilosi manje kunene lana iphethe izandla isimanje naye nawe lephunge la awulithandi. How do you want God to come into a room nane nawe ujabuni ukuba kuleyo room leyo? But umuntu wakho makuthiwa uyeza ugeza manje, akuthiwa umuntu othandana naye uyeza ugeza manje, makuthiwa umngane wakho uyeza ugeza manje. So if ubona kubalulekile ukugeza makuza umngane wakho, why ungazilungiseleli makuza uJehova? If ubona kubalulekile uclean room mangabe kuza umuntu ozwana naye, why ungakubona kubalulekile kuprepare indawo la uprepare la kumitha khona uJehova? Encounters requires consecration. Mina namhlanje ngikhuluma ngabantu abangafuni ukukhuluma noJehova, ngikhuluma nabantu abafuna ukuyenza be intentional lento yabo yokukhuluma nobani noJehova. Abanye banu ngehlane nalomhleli khona akukalungiswa. The place is not prepared. Ubone nje isihlahla ongasazi nokuthi ngathi lesi si right. Nalesihlahla la ngaphansi asikho right. People clean first before they start praying. You prepare the ground first before you start praying. When you want to change, so feel like Jehovah sengikhona baba. How sesifikile bonke. You must prepare the place. Nangabanye benu ngikhethe ofeqela lena ngigethwe ngisho na yinyoka ngoba you don't prepare grounds baba. Mina ngithandaza abeza nami one-on-one bayangazi mina ngangena la ngabona indawo ngekho right phula ngaphandle mina because I can't host God in a dirty place. Everything must be set in order. Yonke into ufuna ihlale ngendlela right so that when he speaks I understand. I'm not alone here. I'm with God. No ngena one-on-one uyesu no. Lana ngene nje kule sonto engijwayele ukuza kulona. Lana sengene endaweni ehlukile manje. What? I have prepared the ground first. If you want to intentionally encounter God, you must prepare it. Prepare the ground with intention to meet God. With intention to meet God. Bani mama ufuna ukuthandaza umthandazo wakho ujika khona lapha afa. Umthandazo wakho ujika lapha namahlakahla lapha. Thandaza sinome kanjani. But if you want God to meet you every day, have a special space and spot where God will meet you like he met Ezekiel. But if you are prophet malanga akho sekaphelile ngekusehla lombhede lo ogula ogibele kona lithi wabheka odongeni wakhuluma noJehova. It was the word he knew ukuthi when I face this word I meet God. So the word was prepared. Kuyaziwa ukuthi bekazi na ukuthi mangidibana mangibheka le uyongiphendula uJehova. Iphe yakhe indawo oyilungisile la umithe khona uJehova. Iphe yakho indawo. Abanye they've got big houses but they don't have prayer rooms. Banendawo yamathulusi but banayo indawo yokuthandazela. Ambiza noma ngawukuphi Jehova uyazi nawo. Sengikhona bathi uya everywhere. Ngaba noma siyafuna ukukhuluma nawe wazi ukuthi wenzeni uvula iTV uvula iredo ufunda incwadi wazi ngoba if there was a place you would go there. Usengikhona Jehova ngibuyile. Njengoba sivalile izolo sekwenze kokunye nansi indaba. That's why even in Israel kwakunesikhathi sokuthandaza. There was a time to pray. Look at isikhathi sokuthandaza in the book of Acts chapter number 3. Baya endaweni yani yokuthanda. They were able to perform miracles because baya endaweni yani. Yes, the reason in the book of Acts chapter number 16, the reason uNkulunkulu waphendula nge-earthquake, waphendula ngoba kake ezandleni, uyazi ukuthi indaba. Ingani ngoba akabajwayeli ukuba mitha ababoshini.
Jesus power. Sure.
Ujwayele ukuba mitha via indumiso, via umthandazo. It may not be the time, but ujwayele ukuba mitha via indumiso, via umthandazo. Lithi phakathi nobusuku uPaul noSilas benzani bathandaza bahlabelele sothi yi-pathway yokumitha yena. But makehla ubaba uthola abavalele, uthola ababoshiwe, uthola abakhala uthi ubaba ngeke anginazi nje. Let me shake the ground to shake off the shackles. uJehova makakwazi ukukhululekile akwazi ukuthi wena uza kuyihlobile nakadibana nawe usebhuthini yemoto ungabhama namathayi ngoba akujwayele uboshiwe akujwayele uvaliwe. Normalize the way odibana naye ngoNkulunkulu ngoba uyakwazi ukuthi njalo bakadibana nomphamsizana kodwa namhlanje siboshiwe kuyosha izinto ezandleni kuyosha intambo nasezandleni kuyovuleka indlela ngikhuluma nomuntu okidneshwa lapha kuyovuleka indlela noma kuvaliwe ibhuthi yemoto ingavuleka ilokhiwe ngoba akakwazi uvalelekile. I know Kevin, he doesn't pray in confined spaces. He prayed in an open atmosphere. Indoda yasentabeni indoda yasehlane amazi mnathandaza avalelekile. So bakamele kuvuleka ibhuthi yovuleka bakamele kuvuleka amasango ovuleka amasango bakamele kuvuleka amawindi ovuleka abantu ababambile boyibuza ukuthi kuvula ubani la kuvula uJehova sekafike. Mina njalo uNkulunkulu wasemasontweni thina sijwayele uNkulunkulu esihamba naye simbiza noma sikuphi. That is why noma ufuna ukuthatha into zethu angawusafuna ukuyithatha manje because we have an understanding of the protocols of encounter. Sesiyazi simthola kuphi, sesiyazi simthola awufundele lakho Lydia
Incwadi kaExodus 3
verse number 5.
verse 5.
Yeah.
Khona ke wathi ungasondeli lapha umula izimbadada zakho ezinyaweni zakho ngoba indawo omikuyo ingumhlabathi ongcwele.
Le ndawo ome kuyo sinjani bahlala phansi. Ingumhlabathi onjani? this area. Why uNkulunkulu asho nje kuMoses? It's because ucustom yokuthandaza kwabo yinto abajwayele ukuyenza. Siyakhumbula uJesu avakasha kwenye indawo wathiwa bamgeza inyawo like lo sisi lona wabhasti wakhala ngenyembe zakhe wageza inyawo zikabani zikaJesu wathatha inwele wasula phezulu lokho wabhasti ialabaster wesenza njani uyakho yabo uthi imnandi kanjani leni ukuthi bathi abakhuluma bathi ayikhona ngiyeke uJehova bekajwayele ukumitha ngale ndlela.
Jesus, yes.
uJehova wayejwayele ukumitha ngale ndlela le. You see, so now ubuka inyawo ukuthi ziyagezwa makusondelwa kuNkulunkulu. So ngesiko lamaHebheru namaJuda so gezwa izandla gezwa nenyawo before you enter a space where there is God. So makuthiwa khumula imbadada ngoba le ndawo ingwe. So uNkulunkulu ujwayele ukukhuluma naye akakafaki. So the protocol encounter, understand no? That's why namanye amasonto siyawaza kwenye indawo nje basuke naTali bayazi ukuthi khanjwa ngeenyawo. Ngiyaniswa manje. Kuyiwe entabeni namanje nje sikhuluma nje abanye bakhona basentabeni bahamba ngani? Bajwayele ukuthi uNkulunkulu bamitha bahamba ngani? Ngeenyawo. Wena umitha wenze njani? I was talking to the people ngisana nabo la basithandaza ngathi kune code esayibeka for lakhaya. Kuthi masala kumele sigqoke kanjani? Kumele sivele kanjani? Why? Akasazi sikuhlaluhlanga. Usazi sibukeka sifana. So ukuze siqhubeke sihlangane naye after service sibe ne-encounter. Funa le ndlela esaqala ngayo siqhubeke ngayo. Jesus. Ngeke bathi uqalile umsebenzi wofeza empilweni zethu. Bese siyakhohle ukuthi uAlpha phinde uOmega. Uyazi uba waqala kanjani. That is why I always tell people, mangabe ukukholwa kwakho nelevel yokukholwa kwakho iyehla ngoJune nangoJuly usenkingeni. Why? Because uNkulunkulu uyakwazi ukuthi uqale on a high note. Ukade unyaka futhi ophelile on a high note. Wena lapho June nabo July wena so uyehlisa. That is why ugula kakhulu. Angazi manje yabona ukuthi bayagula bayafa abantu. UJune no July bahamba. So banyakolala nje nani manje. Ukufa phela ukulala umfanekiso wokufa. Uyabona ukuthi ulephisile. Mina ngilephisa ngoba ungenza ngilale ngavuki. Usho ukuthi uvukile umzimba wakho ubuphansi wena uvukile uthi hayibo kahle uphume uhlukene umzimba nomphefumulo. Phefumulo uhlukene nenyama manje. Phefumulo uphume emzimbeni. I'm telling you, yekani ukwehlisa konilanda abathakala. Because nama watchers, nama watchmen, nama intercessor kamoya kunesikhebe esikhina siyathandaza. Kamoya babhizi ngeWorld Cup ngitshelile. Babhizi ngeWorld Cup, babhizi ngabo bonke lokho kwenzeka kuphi emhlabeni. Sebalahlekile manje. So wena uyolala ungavuki ngoba uyabazi nabakuloya ukuthi baningi. Izitha zakho zingaka. Ulayini ongapheli wezitha zakho kodwa nje uthandaza yabo. Ningakhathazeki isuda emnyama ikhona. I think senobonile. Kaze ngaphinda leyodwa solosikala lo nyaka isude emnyama. Qhubekani nidlale. Zonhlanyela mina ngibe ngikhona ngoba nje ngimemezela ngithi kuzalwa kunokubola kuvuswa kunokuphila uhambe kahle ngohlabela mina engqobeni wakho. Listen to me, lento engiyenzayo angusabisi ngutshela ireality in the realms of the spirit. Ufuna ukuthi mawubanda ubande mawushisa wenze njani? Lento yakho uthi washisa bese uyabanda manje usenkingeni. Washisa bese wenze njani? Use amna ngiqhubeka. Moses kwathiwa khumula imbadada ngoba le ndawo nalenhlabathi sokuyo injani ingcwele. Remove your shoes because the ground has become holy by the presence of God. By the presence of God. Funda lapho ne Hebrews 12 verse number 14. But now let's bring Joshua 3 verse number 5. Joshua 3 verse number 5. Yeah. God will do wonders amongst you. Sanctify yourself. Sanctify your. You are not sanctified. You are not sanctified. You are not sanctified. That's our biggest issue. Sanctify. Before Israel could hear the voice of God, they washed themselves, consecrated themselves for 3 consecutive days. They were preparing to meet God. They were preparing to meet God. Found that up on Hebrews 12, verse number 14.
Make every effort to live in peace with everyone and to be holy. To be holy. Without holiness, no one will see the Lord.
Without holiness, no one will see God. So seeing God is not a matter of your church attendance. Seeing God is a matter of holiness. Seeing God is not a matter of which church you fellowship in. It's not a matter of which man of God are you submitting under. It's a matter of holiness. Fourth,
zamelani ukuthula nabo bonke kanye nokugcweliswa ongenakho angeyibone inkosi.
So now ukungabona uNkulunkulu akusindaba yomnikelo, yindaba ye-holiness. Yindaba yani le inkosi abantu abangafuni ishukela bafundweni. Mawukhuluma ngobungcwele ujajwa abazalwane abakhonza uNkulunkulu ongcwele. Mawukhuluma ngo-holiness ujajwa abafundisi abalalana bodwa sanibona. Mawukhuluma indaba ye-holiness mamkhize ujajwa abazalwane ababambelena amankungu amagubhu ihliziyo yabe namakoli lana kuthiwa without holiness ingagcwala esontweni. But if we don't know what holiness is, we don't live a holy life. The Bible has made it clear, without holiness, we are never going to meet God. We are sing a song that sing like Jehovah. Open the window. The last part, without holiness. Ngoba
ongenakho angeke ayibone inkosi.
Ongenakho lo kubizwa ukuthi ukungweliseka nokungwele angeke ayibone. Abaye baphethe amarosal sanibona angeke. Abaye baphethe iphambano kodwa angeke. Abaye bafaka okhororo kodwa angeke. Abaye banama-analog esonto bangathi bawafake. Ngathi ingelosi ungafuna ukuthi makherofu namaserafi or athagwe basezulwini kodwa lithi iBhayibheli noma ingubo nayo noma awunayo kodwa mawungenabo ubungcwele ungaphili abapheka mina phela sikhuluma amakamlana mama kaPeter sikhuluma nani manje mawungaphili iholiness uyakumbona baba ufuna uyibuze ukuthi ngabe mina iphila ilendo manje ilevel ephakeme le holiness ake sesiqale naye emalula lento engithe banifuna baphuza amanzi aqale mina kuqala lela kuqale lento njengoba lezi lapho ufunda khona nje la kuqale
zamelani
wenzani
ukuthula
nani
nabo bonke
we phinda lini
zamelani ukuthula nabo bonke.
Hayi babo akufunde lapho Lydia Hebrews 12 verse number 14 sibiya lithini lakho baba
Hebrews 12 verse number 14 Phikishelani ukuthula nabantu bonke phikishelani ukuthula nabantu hayi abathandwa nguwe hayi abazwana nawe hayi abaqela uqolo funda Lydia bangibuka kabi mina ungabi ngalisana siphinde lo number 1 phikishelani
imali ini umshado ini bathulile bawusibili ngishilo ngathi ufuna uphatha amanzi asewulisi lawana enhlizweni ungaphuza nje waqedwe ngoba vele avele ulisi awatholi la ungaba nenhlahla ungene engine garage bese uyawathola
Asewules lawa asewules lawa ngawaphuza kakhulu nami ngoba ahloliwe aphuma nebheke emnyameni oW because we winner sanibona phikishe lafunda lapho bazongizwa kahle labantu uyini ezuze esontweni yenzani kwenzani nani ngicela elinye ithi nenye version Nkosi yami funda
It worked at getting along with each other and with God.
ake senizame nje ukuba nokuthula nabo bonke abazalwane nabo bonke nje abazalwane akumele ngisakubeka ngaphandle ke manje nabo bonke nje abazalwane sonke nabo zama nje ukuba nokuthula before sikhuluma ngokungcwele ngoba akusiza ukuhambela ukuthi ungcwele kodwa ungenako ukuthula nabo bonke abantu because uthi peace I live with you. Peace I give you and peace I give you. Peace I live with you, peace I give unto you. Usilethela ukuthula, uma ukuthula. Kodwa sinako ukuthula. We are time ticking bombs, but we're Christians. But we are hungry for God. We need the presence of God. We need the wonders of God. What if the wonder you need umuntu ophethe isikhiya uInos? What if the miracle you are searching for opetiske umama kaPeter uzwana naye wena awunayo ukuthula naye you will wait for 10 years until kube ne reconciliation between wena nomama kaPeter kungikhane kuvuleka bese uthi finally wazwa ngizonkulunkulu he brought the person here ukuze ninenizwane kungikhane kwenza into zakho certain wonders go room abantu ukuthi asinako ukuthula nabo bonke abantu mina ngathi abantu noma ngidibana nomfundisi umthweni ngathatha ngisho lesithombe layo yini enkaunti sigabeni yini enifuna sigabane mina mangijike khona so kuyisunday ngimthola vele lapha ngivuliwe angedlula ngathi angimbone nokuye inkosi nathi umfundisi wami akathi mfana uthi umfundisi wa nami ngithi umfundisi yebo when I meet another pastor abanye bayethuka bangidibana abanye bafundisa lendlela engizehlisa ngayo ngibakhawulisana I met another pastor eMola namhlanje kwaphela sinemall thina yebo nami eMola namhlanje ngesini ngapha ePhola kuyabheda sinemall thina mangidibana naye ke eMola ayishukise ngeke inkosi wathi uyangazi kathi ngiyakwazi mfundisi azambiza nangesiphosa why I love these people I know them mangithiba nomfowethu mabhija ngapha angidibani naye ngimbuke ngalehlono ufuna ngimbuke ngalo mangithiba ngiyambulisa mina mangithiba ngiyamvusela bese awubona kusize sihleke abaqabene yini thina si right aba lithe zamani ukuba nokuthula nabo bonke abakuselenina selenina abaqabanisa uSawula noDavide abafazi balobamemezela uDavide ubulela inkulunkulu abulela uGoliath phela bathi ubulela inkulungwane into eqabanisa abafundisi abazalwane mawungakavuleki la ungumfundisi ungagcina usele nabazalwane ungene ama brothers ngoba selone balwa nabafundisi nabantu bomndeni balwa ngabafundisi uyezwa wami ubaba ukhomba umzondo jwala ufike na ungazi ukuthi kuliwa ngawe ungazithola senkingeni ngalokuliwa ngawe bathi uthi uye lo power lo uma ngalo ebathini manje labantu semele manje ukhuphusha uphakamisa amakaos manje noma masifokise ngoba phela naku bathi uye lo power so ufuna uveze ipower engekho noma so ushumana basalwe bebosi ithi la bathi uye lo power lo so ufuna uveze ipower Pumela voice sibabu sibiya ingasekho right yini kune competition kuyaliwa bantwana bomfazi mabangezwani umuza umi yawe khalife ngoba amadoda nakho nawezwani awafundi ukuba nokuthula bantwana bomfazi yenza ukuthi ngoba phela isimo sempilo nesibona nani ukuthi sinjani Nkosi yami abasidudla bafuna bangqama abantu bafuna basidudla abamnyama bafuna bamhlophe abamhlophe bafuna bamnyama abafundile bafuna ungafundi kunzima nje Nkosi yami kuhlakahlekene njengoba kunje yenza ukuthi nihlanganiswe umama nihlukene ngabo baba kodwa lokuthi kunomama onihlanganisayo akusho kumele sanikabani Ngiphinde lento funa bese niyabuka ukuthi okay man masicabana thina la ubani esinaye ngaphandle. Your friends will never be there for you. Your friends are there for you temporarily so, but they're not there for you permanently. Umndeni baba uyabona isikapa sasekhaya sivalwa samani balokuthula ekhaya. Namantombazana umzini wodwa ningezwani. Learn to agree to disagree. Yeah, we come to a conclusion ukuthi asine uyaphuza mina ngiyakhonza asibuke indlela ukuthi radio icima ngobani. Ngoba ngeke ngikuvalele ukuthi uyicime, but asibuke ukuthi at least ngalo 10 or before 12 phela ngifuna ukuthandaza ake suyivale nawo. Kuyaphiliswana zamani uba nokuthula nabo bonke abantu. Qhubeka wena ulo nabo bonke abantu. Uyokuhleka mina. Ngiyokuhleka ngoba wena sowulwa nawo wonke umuntu. La uyokuba khona ithambo lihlale la. Ngabe liyokhishwa ubani? Yapulala la ithambo ngoba uthanda ama wings nje. Lohlala la lethambo lama wings. Yothi usahlafuna lithi gwinqini lihlale la uthi lingaphumi. Udinga omunye umuntu azokusiza manje. Ngoba ukuphaka kangaka nje mawudla. Phakela intaba yonke ngayo njalo semngcwabeni. Lohlala la ipapa or inoni lihlale la. Lihake ezinyoni lihlale la. Uyomdinga omunye umuntu will need another person. That is why zamani ukuba nokuthula nabo bonke. Before sigijimisa holiness, ngiyayithanda holiness kodwa ukuthula nabo bonke abantu. I'm at peace. What's my children? No, I'm hungry now. I'm at peace, man. I'm at peace. As one, but I'm at peace. Now, please be at. Let us stand in the way water. But I am at. I'm at as well. Actually, Avela. You must put you're not at peace. Because that person controls your happiness. That person controls your mood. I'm at Avela. You are not at peace. Fa gulwele litela lita pigi shelani ukuthula nabantu. Yes, it's not easy kuphilisana nabantu abangakholwa ukholwe ekhaya. Kodwa lithe leverse lisho njalo. Singabizi imali kakhulu, singabizi imoto, singabizi imizi. Lithe nje naku ufuna sikhuleke kakhulu phishelana ukuthi nibe nokuthula nabo bonke abantu. Kunokuthi ngifundise ukuba nokuthula nabafowethu. Yabona labantu base kulomuzi lo wakubo baba abangiphathanga kahle futhi abangiphathi kahle kodwa mina ufuna ngidecide ukuthi yazi let me be the person who will be at peace. I'll talk to them ngisebenza ukuthula nangokuhlakana bese ngicubana impilo yami. You understand? I know a lot of people love me, but I also have a lot of haters, but I love them all. I love the haters and I love the people who love me. Why is that? It's because if you don't have haters, you will never create something new. You'll start dying. But if you like me more, honest it. Yeah, people please. If you kaza wonke umuntu. Lento le ingozi. Mina ngiyabasukela abantu sometimes mamabomu. Nala bese nekuthula nabo. Ufuna ukubeza ukuthi bagqinene ngaphakathi. Babodle ngoba abanye bayibekile lento. Ayibekile lento bayakhela la ngaphakathi ayothi bakhona. I'm telling you. Nathi kuyomuka indlu yonke. So kungcono ukuthi ngihle nje ngiyithula ngiyamizwa ukuthi kunanda umuntu kunanda ureact kanjani futhi makwatile. Kuna kubanye abantu bangakwati bathatha ama certificates abantu bayadabula. Bashisa uya certificate ukuthi kunzima kanjani ukuyithola. Ama universities akhipha ngisho namakhophi. Basufuna ikhophi manje basufuna ukunika. So unomuntu angakwati adabule ama certificate. Batheste manje uyombona manje umuntu. Yakizwa noma manje lo uyingozi. Test everyone around you. Yakizwa ungasheshe umthemba umuntu. Ngisho uhambela isikhathi futhi umtest. Umtest. Usho umnikeze nje imali. Angabuyi noshintsha. Awubuzi. Uthule nje. Uthule. Mhla eza kuwe athi yazi ngifuna uthayi. Umbalele. No leya shintile u30 rand. Leya lapha u250. Leya lapha u300. Uyabona la kunele whole attire. Ukuze abone ukuthi accountability is served in your space. You can't accredit a person and the credibility yakhe ngekuyiphakamise the high pedestal ungakaze wamteach accountability. There are laws baba, the laws of foundations. Check umuntu foundation we test. We test our foundation ngaka test by inhlebo. Mina I sometimes present things engaziyo kahle ukuthi sizoqala inhlebo esontweni. Ngizifake nje ngobungu. Baqala ukuhleba abantu, shake foundations ufuna ukubona sihamba nobani. Yayenza mina into engazi kahle ukuthi ubona mangenzela lento le. Bazoqala abakhuluma manje. Ngifuna ukubona ukuthi ubani ebekalindele noSipho ukuhleba. Nasele ubani ohambisa le ndaba. Uyatesta ama foundations wakho ngoba uqina ubeka abantu abarong endaweni. Ngoba kahle wathetesta lezinto one by one ubamba nje uthi ubamba ngapha ukamba manga kwazi ukuthi lo ngimtshela ngo50 lo ngimtshela ngo150 lo ngimtshela ngo300 lo ngimtshela ngo1000 wesho indaba ethi 1000 bowazi ukuthi hayi no ubabumandla noKP ngoba ngimtshela ngo1000 ubani. That's how you test every foundation around you. Test everyone around you. Umuntu lala agugude. Dakho umuntu lala ngehlangothela i1 ngaphandle mathu soboxing. Sakafilwe hambe emhlabeni. Ndalabo abalala ke ungazi ukuthi bafile. Okhona abantu abalala ungazi uvukela beBad Plus. Angezwa. Kufuna umnyango ukuze kushisa ilanga angezwa next. Akezwa next. Kuringe alarm, kuringe phone, kungena ama message akezwa next. Ngeke sibabaleke lapho. Lesibabala. Kodwa nje laba ba test everyone around you test them. Test them. Why am I doing this? So that ngizoba nokuthula now. Because unabantu abanganakuthula bathulile. Silence is not peace. Someone who has been muzzled and silenced, they are not at peace. Bathulisiwe, abanakuthula. Abanye bavala umlomo, hayi ukuthi banokuthula. Bathulisiwe, abanakuthula. Ungahambi nabantu abathulisiwe noma bathulile, hamba nabantu abanokuthula. Don't move with a crowd that has been silenced or muzzled. Move with a crowd that is at peace. With seeing you prosper, with seeing you lead, with seeing you going forward, with seeing you succeeding. Move with that crowd. Somebody said to me the other day, you wouldn't have to move in silence if you were moving with the crowd you trust. Let me say that again. Yonke into yenzayo bekungeke kudeke ukuthi uyenzele emfihlakalweni noma sitheleni kube bohamba nabantu obethembayo. Manje yonke into yenzayo kumele uyifihle ngoba labantu ohamba nabo awubathembi. So you wouldn't have to hide everything if uhamba nabantu obathembayo. Awubathembi ngani abantu? You have never tested them. Start testing the people around you. Start testing them. Mina kabangazi uma uzonda ngamphefumula ngenye indlela. Mina ngalala kusofa ngabheka phezulu. Kanje ngaphefumula ngenye indlela ngathi ngiyafa. Yakusuka ke manje yini? Mawuzwa abantu one by one mhlawumbe zagcwala inyembezi bakusibiya. Mawuzwa abantu bangena one by one uyakhona ukumbona umuntu lo uyamzonda. Lo uyamzonda. Mina I'm good with acting. Laba lonke. Alethi ngoba abanye. How you let phone yami ya phone. Ya phone let phone yami ya phone. Basho khona. Phone. Test people around. Just people around. Bisiku ngako siku. Kulunga kuba kuthi temperature right, kodwa ngiko right. But if that's when you will see who is on your side. Who is on your side. The questions that will start being shared and asked in the same room. Uzokuthi abantu they are concerned ngezinto eziningi. Uyibhalela kodwa wini, bangifuna ngifike. Abanye ndaba nabo ngibane indaba newini. Unyama ngizobe isikhathi malini mazigwabisana wakho. Wait. Bangifuna ngifike lo ngangiqeda ke lo ngangiqedela lo. Simple isicathulo sakho lesi. Lo ufuna isicathulo sakho. Phela selama. Bengifuna ngoba uyagula ke ngibona ke le bed lakho le. Wait. Then you will see who is on your side. Who will take care of you? Who will sacrifice things and come down to your level? And say, no, that's your gula man. Let me take care of this. Wakati umnyasebenzayo. Ake ngelanga lakho le off babusibiya ukhona mama usibiya ukahle ngokula. Ungasho ukuthi ilanga lakho le off. Ubuyele ekhaya. Uthi nje ngibuya komunye umhlangano ungenzeka kuphela umsebenzi. Thatha off yeviki lonke. Uhlale lapha endlini. Bese umsebenzi uphelile. Langa lokuqala ungesabi. Kuzoba right. Langa lesibili ngathi indaba yakho iba serious. Day number 5 akusibiya uyobe uzwa ukuthi kunenyanga strong. Ngobuyile nakaprofeti ngathi akwenzeki next. Kunenyanga strong. Umthandazi wathafika khona lapho la. Hey phela angisho nje ukuthi ngithini kodwa basizile abantu. Uyazi ukuthi inkulumo zabantu ziyabaveza. Just the people around. Encounters are like that. Test. Lithi ngiyovela ngiyokhuluma nawo umprofeti. Kodwa lithi kwavela umlilo. uJehova wayengekho emlilweni. Wavela umoya omkhulu. uJehova ungekho kulowo moya. Lithi kwasabazama ngisho umhlaba. uJehova wayengekho leyo earthquake. Lithi wasukhuluma ngevoice. How did the prophet see lindo ukuthi akekho uJehova kule ndawo? Ezo-3. It's because ukwamtest uJehova ngomlilo. Uyamazi ngasemlilweni unjani. Ukwamtest uJehova ngomoya. Uyamazi emoyeni ukuthi uhamba njani. Ukwamtesta nge-earthquake. Uyamazi earthquake ukuthi uzwakala njani. Iziphi zakhe earthquake uyazazi. Then mase kakhuluma ukwaba cloud wamuza uJehova. Nguye lokhuluma sengaphuma manje. Test for an encounter. Seclusion, consecration precedes manifestation. Encounter. Chapter number 2. Consecration precedes manifestation. God has been speaking to you, but your Bible has been closed for years. How will you know the voice of God if you have never read the word? You don't even know how God speaks. You don't even know how God leads. You don't even know how God responds to calamities, problems, scenarios, situation. Our must not to respond. How will you then hear God? I was talking to a daughter of mine who's in India, and they were busy with a certain practice. You must know me. There is a once. Let me continue now with my story. But India, I've got daughters in India. So a daughter of mine, she's South African, but she's in India. Her practice and the special lessons she's in India. So if you're in a foreign land, language, stuff like that, I'm telling you, everything changes because bakhuluma language ongayazi, bakhonza uNkulunkulu ongamazi, bagwa ngendlela ongayazi. Then what mfundisi ngenze njani my father? Anything you say I will do it. No, I don't want you to believe in me. I want you to believe in God. This is what you're going to do. I'm giving you a task. Mfundisi, it's a matter of life and death. It's a matter of agency. You can't tell me you are giving me days. I said, you know what? If God wanted you dead, you would have been dead by now. I'm giving you the book of Exodus. Go and read it. If it's a matter of emergency, then in the book of Exodus, you will know whether you stay or you leave. I don't know to call my one. But send that when Ubonwas will take back Shisa. I was not sick on no Mushan. Go to the book of Exodus. When that verse about to Funda, Isholen, the connected, it to Jehovah Uti. The book of Exodus is a book, the Puma. Even for a Puma 20, go read that book. I'm telling you, if you make Puma, we all use a Jehovah Puma for to Puma. It will be loud and it will be clear and count. Consecration precedes manifestation. Consecration is not punishment, but consecration is connection towards God. You're connecting the threads toward God. Yes, towards God. When I'm no longer in the crowd, I'm now prepared to meet God. I want about to join up. Umuntu wamabhadi khululeke kuphela nje lenyanga uyithola ibhadi ngemingozi kulahleke into ngoba usho wena wathi umuntu wani wamabhadi. Mina I don't believe umuntu wamabhadi. No one trying out to umuntu wamabhadi uyiwani angikho lapho. I don't share in your nonsense and negative energy. Mina yonke into ngithinta iyabusiseka. Everything I touch is bad. Mina ngumuntu wesibusiso nenhlanhla. La ngikhona there is positivity power. There is prophecy over my life. I cannot fail. Mangqala into lindo I cannot fail. That's what I told myself. If you can tell yourself that, monkeys, everything about your life will change. Because I'm prepared to meet the right things in life. If I see the giant not as an obstacle, but as a stepping stone towards my breakthrough, I will never see the giant as a problem. I will see the giant as a stepping stone. A necessary medium or channel to towards my breakthrough. But if you see your giant as a giant, you will be blocked. When I see people fighting me, coming against me, I don't see them as problems. I see them as stepping stones. They are like a challenge, not a problem. It's going to challenge the way I pray, the way I see things, the way I worship God, the way I serve God. Until I win this, I have not won the challenge. I must make sure I go to the other side. That's consecration before manifestation. And some fun never walk around. So I never cancel inhlupheko. Mina inhlupheko ngiyibona njenge stepping stone. I have to break out of this ecosystem of poverty to the other side. Let me find ways to move out of this ecosystem of poverty. Some of you will stay bound there because don't question the reality you live in. I question the reality I live in. Why is it that I received 10,000? Why didn't I receive 100K? Why didn't I receive 1 million? Why is it that a person will give me 100 friends when there is someone who was given 10 million to buy a house for being there and being a woman, but was given how much?